right, let's get into the main story here. We're going to talk about the SEC and the ETF application that they just rejected. And then Tim was saying, a lot of people probably saw that headline. They just ran with it, opened a short, sold their position. But guys, there's a little nuance here. They didn't reject BlackRock, and they actually didn't really reject anything. They're kind of putting something on pause. What are we talking about? We're talking about the ARK Spot Bitcoin ETF, putting the brakes on the approval. They haven't slammed into a brick wall yet, but they are putting on the brakes here. You see, the SEC has issued a delay letter regarding the application for ARK Invest, spot exchange traded fund there. Uncertainty is looming over their ETF. The delay is not uncommon in the world of ETFs, particularly when it comes to investment products like cryptocurrencies. The SEC has consistently expressed concerns regarding investor protection, market manipulation, and custody of digital assets, which have contributed to this lengthened regulatory process. Given this context, it's possible the decision regarding their application could be delayed until the near end of the year, and the regulatory watchdog carefully evaluates the proposal for acceptance. I think the rumor, the conspiracy, the thing that's not being said that we're probably all thinking, I know Tim's thinking it, I know Drew's thinking it, maybe you at home, you're thinking it too. Did they delay them just so BlackRock could be first?
Yes.
I think it's a non-zero chance.
Yes.
I'm leaning towards likely. Likely.
I've been saying that since BlackRock applied, but we found out that ARK Invest was first in line. I just did not see a scenario where ARK Invest got a huge head start. Maybe we see them approved at the same time, and BlackRock wins that, by the way. But I don't see the SEC allowing any other company to have a head start on BlackRock.
King Peasant, I don't know if he's rich or poor, he said, this is like a bat signal to all institutional investors to buy more. I may be seeing the same thing. The fact that it's a delay letter, they're just kicking the can down the road. They haven't smashed the can is somewhat positive for Cathie Wood and ARK Invest here. Yeah. Let's talk about Bitcoin ETFs here, also pushing the U.S. slice of crypto ETF trading volume to 99.5%. What is the 0.5%? If I had to guess, Canada? Let's see. No, they're counting North America as 97.7. So the United States could make up 99.5%. When they come out, it will likely go up that high. As of right now, North America coming in a little bit under 98%. Europe is the one filling the void right there. So we have North America coming in. Number 2, we have Europe at a paltry 1.46%. Then we have South America, probably Brazilian Nubank or something like that, 0.62%. And then we have Asia Pacific coming in at 0.25% there. During a Bloomberg interview, CEO Cathie Wood, behind the ARK Invest ETF, speculated the regulatory could be waiting to approve multiple funds at the same time.
Yeah.
What did Tim just say? Maybe if they're not in the front of the line, they're all going to walk through the door at the same time. Maybe that's happening. Even Cathie Wood is speculating they could be waiting to approve multiple funds at the same time. So it's not just my speculation, it's also the ARK Invest founder's speculation. Many of the top listed mining firms have seen their stocks outperform Bitcoin this year, which could explain the stellar performance of products such as WGMI. And here they're talking about the Van Eck thing. All right, Visa unveils experimental solution to abstract away gas fees. All right, I don't know if this is going to have all the details, but guys, I'm going to give you the DZ breakdown too. So enable users to pay on-chain gas fees in the Goerli testnet. Of course, they're going to use the testnet. And this does away with the necessity for end users to use ETH for gas fees, even allowing payment with any token. Any token can pay a gas fee because you got a noob and they say, hey, I sent this thing from Coinbase and I sent it into this thing called a MetaMask, and then I tried to transfer it and it said no gas. What does that mean? I looked up gas token and I bought $100 worth and now it's lost. What do I do? And so this is going to be a good way to, instead of, adding, now you have to deploy some ETH, put it in there, put in $5. Oh, guess what? Gas was $5.40. Oh, now you got to put in another 40 cents. Oh, gas went up again. Oh, I'm just putting in $20 in gas. And then you leave it there as dust forever and it's gone. Now they have a new solution. It's the EIP. I said there were some fours.
4844.
ERC 4337.
Oh, so there's another
standard
one. Okay. Well, there's a couple in here in the article. I just found the first thing. Yeah, 4844. What is it? 4788. What's the one you see?
I see the 504 boys.
Oh gosh.
Yeah.
So many.
All right.
So many.
Anyways, experimental solution on the testnet streamlines the interaction between users and the network by blah, 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 nerd speak, D&G talk. We don't care about that. But, fast forward for transactions with gas fee, it is now eliminated. Users still have to technically pay a gas fee, but now they can play with any token, such as USDC, such as USDT, removing a layer of friction in Ethereum payments. Visa can cover these fees as well. So, guys, this is huge. This is going to make using ETH and Visa just a whole lot easier. It's going to remove confusion. I think when you get your bill, this is kind of what I was saying on ATB morning stream. I'll share the same analogy. You get your cell phone bill. Hey, what's your cell phone bill? Oh, it's $99 a month. Then you open your paper. Like $133.27. There's a fee here. There's a tax there. There's a service. There's an operating. There's a, this and that. And all these things kind of like, what the heck? People don't want that with crypto transactions either. I had this 401k that has like a crypto token and it buys Bitcoin. But all of a sudden, what the heck are all these gas fees? And then there's the bull market. And then it's like, I just spent $200 in gas fees. I'm just trying to deposit some money. It's just going to be a lot of confusion. I think, I'm sure they're going to have some testnet things. I don't think Visa is going to be paying $80 gas fees to move your money, of course. But it just makes it a little bit more simple. And I think it's just a huge protocol upgrade for Ethereum, period. It's huge, huge.